Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This video applies to Jettas made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Okay, to start, leave the front hood. Your battery is located right here. Now all you will need is 13mm socket with the extension, and you will need a 10mm socket or a wrench key. Okay, first I will show you the battery holder, which is located down there. I hope you can see it. So to reach it, like I said, you will need the extension and the 13mm socket. So what you want to do, you want to squeeze it in here and pretty much unscrew that screw. Okay, so I just removed mine. Now don't forget to install the battery holder back once you install the new battery. This is a very important safety feature actually. Its purpose is to hold battery at place so it doesn't move while you drive. Next thing you want to do, you want to unscrew these two 10mm nuts. So this one here on a positive terminal and this one here on the negative terminal. Now don't remove these nuts all the way, just unscrew them enough so you can wiggle the connectors of the poles. Just like this. Always make sure to first disconnect the negative battery pole and then the positive one, and when you install a new battery always first connect the positive battery pole and then the negative battery pole. Now one more thing I will mention here, what happens sometimes if the battery wasn't removed for a long time. These connectors can get quite attached to these poles. Then in that case you might have to use like a flat screwdriver just to pry it a bit underneath from each side and then just try to wiggle it off. Or other option, if it still doesn't go, also use a flat screwdriver and a small hammer and just try to hammer the flat just between these connections here so you can easier release this connector and then wiggle it off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.